Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best mini chainsaw. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Saker Mini Chainsaw. Portable electric chainsaws. Cordless small handheld chainsaw. Pruning shears. Chainsaws for tree branches. Father's Day gift for men, dad, husband, women, courtyard and garden. Brand, Saker. Power source, battery powered. Horsepower, 550 watts. Item weight, 1.1 kilograms. Product dimensions, 4.7 inch LX 13.8 WX 7.4H. Chain length, 4 inches. Chain speed, 6 meters per second. Manufacturer, Saker. Mini chainsaw. Cordless, perfect tool for dad, mom, friends, husband, DIYer. Strong dynamic system. Saker Mini Chainsaw adapts a high-quality guide chain that has undergone a deep quenching process to ensure smooth cutting. In addition, a pure copper motor is used, which is very powerful. Cutting efficiency is higher and faster. Upgraded copper wire high-efficiency motor provides your tool with longer runtime, more torque, and more power, which leads to less wear and tear, extending the lifetime of the mini chainsaw. Lightweight and portable. Saker Mini Chainsaw weighs only 1 kilogram, including battery, and has a total length of 4 inches. Saker Cordless Mini Chainsaw can be used with one hand, and it is not easy to get tired after long-term use. It is very suitable for family and temporary work. Even the elderly can easily control it. Rechargeable electric chainsaw. The Saker Mini electric chainsaw is equipped with a 20V 1500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, which can be used for a long time. Charging at any time, convenient and fast. If you do not use it for a long time, please remember to fully charge the battery first, for a better experience the next time you use it. Number 2. Tietoc Mini Chainsaw. Cordless 6-inch. Lightweight handheld electric saw, battery-powered pruning chainsaw kit for household and garden, gifts for men, dad, husband, gardener and DIYer. Brand, Tietoc. Power source, battery-powered. Horsepower, 880 watts. Item weight, 3.3 pounds. Product dimensions, 4.5 inch LX 3.1 WX 15.3H. Chain speed, 21 feet per s. Manufacturer, Tietoc. Cuts like a beast. This mini chainsaw's got an 880W pure copper motor and a manganese steel chain that rips through wood at 21 feet per second. It'll take down a 6-inch log in just 8 seconds, smooth as butter. Perfect for pruning overgrown branches, clearing storm debris, or knocking out that woodworking idea you've been itching to try. Lightweight champ. The electric chainsaw at just 3 pounds, way lighter than those bulky gas chainsaws. This thing's a dream to handle, even if women, seniors, anyone can swing it one-handed. Trim tricky spots or cut in tight corners without breaking a sweat, and the cordless vibe means no cords tripping you up. One-touch oiling made simple, no gas, no mess, no fuss. Hit the button and the auto-oiling kicks in, keeping the chain slick and cutting strong. Quick tip, pop some oil in the tank first, press, and you're good to go. Less maintenance, more time getting stuff done. Rock-solid chain. Say goodbye to chains slipping off mid-cut. This mini chainsaw tension system locks it down tight, safe and steady every time. Grab the included screwdriver, tweak it to fit the job, and keep your cuts clean and precise. Safety that's got your back. Our cordless chainsaw packed in a safety lock to stop hoop starts, an anti-slip grip to keep you in control, and a splash guard to block flying chips. Add the guide plate cover to dodge nicks, plus eco-friendly, flame-retardant materials and FCC certification. You're covered for worry-free work. Number 3. Mini electric chainsaw. Cordless 6-inch. Brushless small chainsaw. Battery-powered, handheld pruning chainsaw for wood, tree branches, garden tools. Gifts for dad, men, 4 chains, 2 batteries, 2,500 mAh. Brand, Tietoc. Power source, battery-powered. Horsepower, 550 watts. Item weight, 2.61 pounds. Product dimensions, 16.23 inch LX 3.9 WX 5.9H. Chain length, 6 inches. Chain speed, no load speed, 32 feet per s. Manufacturer, Non-Tung Binley Electric. Lightweight mini chainsaw, 6-inch small chainsaw battery powered is lightweight, compact and comfortable, it only weighs 2.61 pounds. Mini chainsaw is very easy to operate and maintain, even women and the elderly can handle it with one hand effortlessly. 1000W powerful brushless chainsaw, mini chainsaw cordless is equipped with a brushless all-copper motor. Compared with traditional brushed motors, brushless motors have higher working efficiency, faster cutting speed, less noise, longer lifespan, and lower maintenance costs. The no-load speed reaches 32 feet per second, allowing you to experience high speed and smooth cutting. Whether you are handling the wood for a small-scale project or just doing some simple pruning of branches, this powerful motor ensures a perfect performance every time. 2500 mAh battery-powered chainsaw, mini chainsaw battery-powered equipped with two 2500 mAh batteries, which can work continuously for 30 to 60 minutes after being fully charged. It can complete most of your cutting tasks. The two rechargeable batteries can ensure that whether you are engaged in logging work in the forest or carrying out woodworking projects in the backyard, you don't have to worry about running out of power. Number 4. Tietoc Mini Chainsaw 6-inch Cordless, Portable Electric Chainsaw Small Handheld Battery-Powered Super Saws, Tools for Household and Garden, Gifts for Men Dad Husband Fathers Him Her Women Mom 2025. Brand, Tietoc. Power source, battery-powered. Horsepower, 880 watts. Item weight, 2.8 pounds. Product dimensions, 16-inch LX4 WX3H. Chain length, 6 inches. Chain speed, 28.8 feet per second. Manufacturer, Tietoc. Perfect for the middle-sized logs/branches. Sometimes you get a log that's just too big to snap in half by hand but too small to pull out the large chainsaw. This handheld mini chainsaw is perfect. Makes quick work of small logs and large branches. This is best for small branches in tighter areas that a 12-inch chainsaw will not work. It holds well in hand and shaped, making wood cutting a breeze. The automatic oiler is a game changer. The saw has a reservoir for chain oil, which is great. Some other mini chainsaws do not have that. Automatic oiling isn't self-oiling like a larger saw, but a bulb you push to feed oil to the bar and chain. All of these mini saw blades require lubrication to work at their best, so you should press the lubrication button fairly often while cutting. Universal saw chain oil for fast efficient cutting is recommended. Two large capacity batteries, equipped with 2x2000 mAh removable and rechargeable batteries, easy to install, it just slides on. The cordless mini chainsaw will finish all your cutting, even in the field. Charge level indicator of the battery. Some other mini chainsaws do not have that, makes you know when it's time to charge it, and self-overload and temperature protection provide batteries much longer life. Number 5. Tietoc Mini Chainsaw 8-inch. Cordless with 2x4000 mAh batteries, battery-powered chainsaw with oiler, lightweight handheld saw for household and garden, gifts for men, dad, husband, gardener, and DIYer. Brand, Tietoc. Power source, battery-powered. Horsepower, 880 watts. Item weight, 2.8 kilograms. Product dimensions, 4.5-inch LX 3.1 WX 15.3H. Chain speed, 28 feet per s. Manufacturer, Tietoc. Lightning-fast cutting power. This mini chainsaw packs an 880W pure copper motor and a razor-sharp manganese steel chain, cutting speeds of 21 feet per second. It slices through a 6-inch log in just 8 seconds, smooth as cutting butter. Whether you're pruning branches, clearing storm debris, or diving into a woodworking project, this tool gets it done fast and easy. Lightweight one-handed control. The electric chainsaw at just 3 pounds, about a quarter of gas chainsaw's weight, which is easy to handle, even for women or seniors. Its compact size lets you trim tight spots or cut wood in cramped garage corners. Plus, the cordless design means no more wrestling with cords, just pure freedom to move. One-touch oiling made simple. Ditch the roar of gas saws. With one press, this auto-oiling system sends oil to the chain, effectively reducing wear and keeping performance. Heads up, add oil to the tank before use, then press to lube the chain. It's that easy. Rock-steady chain tension. This mini chainsaw's chain tension system keeps things tight and secure, effectively preventing it from jumping or falling off during cutting. Use the included screwdriver to tweak it for any job. It's all about safety, precision, and getting stuff done faster. Safety. You can trust this cordless chainsaw with a safety lock to stop accidental starts, an ergonomic anti-slip grip to keep your hands steady, and splash guard to protect you from flying chips. A guide plate cover to avoid nicks, and eco-friendly, flame-retardant materials and FCC certification, and you're set for worry-free cutting. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.